I'm Sanjeev from Quadword AI. We provide answers quickly and accurately, unlike others. With the exponential growth of enterprise data, finding right information has become complex and time-consuming. Sales, support, HR, training professionals, research analysts, they have to go through too much information, spread out at too many places, in too many formats in a very short time. That can lead to inaccurate and delayed response. And the result, unhappy customers and lost sales. What these folks need is instant answers, not links to documents. Introducing Quadword AI, a next generation deep NLP platform that provides answers to questions. Now, what are the other solutions out there? Well, you have search, which is time consuming. You have typical chatbots that are limited to common questions. Or you could ask colleagues, which is unpredictable. Now let me show you what we do. Al is a sales executive who likes to use Google for researching potential customers. Here, he wants to find out how much AT&T spends on R&D and in what areas. What he gets is links to documents that he must click, then read to find answers. It is time consuming. Megan is a smart sales executive who realizes the importance of quick and accurate research. Therefore, she uses Quadword AI powered system to find her answers instantly. Our system also works with Slack and chat interfaces. Now, what is the secret sauce behind all this? We have developed unique deep NLP models for superior document interpretation, which takes it to the next level. It works for facts, paraphrases, and descriptions. In particular, for descriptions, we have developed technology which nobody else has. We have patent pending for it. It also enables us to train high volume of documents very rapidly. As for competition, on one hand, we have AI-powered support chatbots that are limited to common questions and logs. On the other hand, we have Googles of the world that do not work with custom enterprise solutions. We are part of the NVIDIA Inception program. We are working with Nutanix, who has given us their sales and support data for technology evaluation. We also in discussions with Intel and one of the largest ServiceNow system integrators. As for the core team, I have a PhD in artificial intelligence with a specialization in NLP, 10 patents and about a dozen publications. Federico is a senior developer with background in NLP and deep learning. Prosenjit is a serial entrepreneur. He is one of the founders of Informatica, and he's also a mentor at Alchemist. On the BizDev and sales side, we are being helped by Sujit, who is a senior BizDev guru and entrepreneur. A go-to-market direct and channel partners who are ServiceNow and Salesforce system integrators. The market opportunity focusing only on the sales and support verticals is about 20 billions. And here's what we're asking. We're looking to raise 500K to add more engineering muscle, to successfully deploy 3 paid customers, and get ready for institutional route. Please come to my booth for any questions. Thank you.